ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। सरस्वती माँ सबको थोड़ा सा ज्ञान दें, बुद्धि दें, संस्कार दें, चरित्र दें, बढ़िया चरित्र दें। चलिए, तो क्वेश्चन इज दैट the train A travels a distance of 120 km per hour in 120 km in per hour is not given, right? 120 km in 3 hours, and whereas another train B traveled a 120 km in 4 hours. Which train runs faster? So we know that speed is equal to distance by we know that you can write like we know that WKT distance by time, right? So in case first distance is given, distance is D is equal to 120 km and time is 3 hours. So can we easily find out S is equal to S you can write and you can write V. So V is equal to S by T. So D by T you can write S here S by T. So 120 by 3 4s are 40. So it is 40 km per hour. Is it easy? Now in case second, what is the distance given? S is equal to 180 km and T is equal to 4 hours. It's so easy. So again V is equal to S by T. S is given 180 km and T is given 4 hours. So how many times? 2, 9, okay, and it's 45, right? 45 kilometer per hour. So train B runs faster, isn't it? So what is your answer? What do you got? 45 kilometers. So train, your answer is same. You can check it out. Okay, now the third question I have given to you. Third question, let me wipe it. A car travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour. So there is a car travel 30 km at the speed of 40 km per hour. Okay. And what is else given? What else given? Next 30 km at a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. So next 30 km, same distance, travel at 20 km per hour. There is a car which travels 30 km in 40 km per hour at the speed of 40 km per hour. And next 30 km with the speed of 20 km per hour. Now what is the question? Question is that find its average speed. Okay, so can we find the total distance travel or total time taken? We know that formula, right? Total distance taken by total time taken. So can we just summarize it in 1 hour, in 40 km per hour, right? So what will you do? How will you solve it? Tell me. Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance and speed is given, time is not given. So can we summarize it? So in first case, look at here. This is the distance and this is the speed, right? So we know that speed is equal to distance by time, right? So S is given 40 and D is given 30 and divided by T. So what will you get? Cross multiply here. So you will get T is equal to 3 by 40 by 0 cancel, 3 by 4 and this is kilometer, kilometer and this is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour here, kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour, and kilometer. So kilometer will cancel. 3 by 4 hours. The t is equal to t1. Let it be t1. Okay, in the first case t1. So 3 by 4 hours. Correct. Now second case. In this case, what is your distance? Distance is same. ds is equal to d by t. Distance is 30 kilometer only. Okay, 30. Write it here. 30 by and t is not given. S को यहाँ लिख दीजिए. So s is 20 kilometer per hour and t not given. Write here t. Cross multiplied here. I just put it there. So if you want to find t, just cross multiply. D by s can be right. Okay. So t is equal again. You will get t2. Write t2. T2 is equal to t2, not t2. समझे बिट्टू? हैं? 2 by hours. Okay. This is the total time. Now we know that ki average speed is equal to what is the formula? Total distance traveled by total time. Total time taken. So what's the total distance? 30 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Total distance. Total distance. What is it? Total distance 30 plus 30. Can I get another chalk because it's over now? And total time. Total time. What will be? What it will be? What will it be? Total time? Yes. Yes. Give me. Thank you. Okay. So 3 by in t1 plus t2. t1 plus t2. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Isn't it? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Now if you will convert it into decimal, what will come? Or let it be like this. 4 would be your LCM, then 3 plus what will come? 2 2s are 4, 6. 9 by 4. What will come? If you will divide 9 by 4, what will come? 1. Correct? 2 times. So 4, 8, 1.0, 4. Again 2 times 8 and 8, and it will come 2 then 5, 20, 4 5 20. So 2.25 hours total time and total distance. So average velocity is equal to total distance, total time taken by total average, right? Average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Total time tt. The total distance 60 and divided by 2.25. 100 इनका डेसिमल हटाएंगे तो what will come? 100 divided by 225. इसे डिवाइड करिए, कैलकुलेट करिए and you will get distance traveled. Where is it? Obviously 9 by 4. 9 by 4. And simply you can do it 9 by 4. No? If you don't have to convert it in decimal, just let it be 9 by 4. Let it be 9 by 4. Total distance 60 divided by 9 by 4. तो 4 ऊपर चला जाएगा. Okay, 6 4 जा 24. 0 by 9. You can divide this by 9. Then you will get 26 point. What is it? 26.6. 26.6 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the car. Done. Pause. 3 and go. Okay, so that's it for today. Jai Hind. Okay, so there is another question. A train travels at a speed of 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. Can you tell me the question again? 60 km per hour for how many minutes?
0.52 hour.
0.52 hour. Right. And next, first case. Second case.
30 km at 0.24.
30 km per hour is not given, right? 30 km per hour, na? 30 km per hour. For How many minutes?
0.24 hours.
0.24 hour. थर्ड केस यहाँ पे अ ट्रेन लिख दो ना, अ ट्रेन travels 60 kilometer for 0.2 hours, 30 kilometer per hour to for 0.24 hours. And third case
70 kilometer at 0.71 hour.
70 kilometer per hour na, 70 kilometer per hour, or it's hour, kilometer per hour, for 0. How much is it? 0.71 hour. Okay, see. Now each and every case, see here, each and every case, this is the time and this is the speed, right? See here, Abhinav, this is the speed, kilometer per hour, and this is the time. So you have the speed, right? Right, it V, and this is the time, correct? What do we know the formula? V is equal to S by T. So what we can write? T is equal to S by V. S by V. V is the speed, S is the distance, right? So S is equal to S is not given, distance is not given, speed is given, right? Speed is given and S is the distance, not given. Let it be S. Okay. So time is equal to, time is given, so S is not given. So V को हमें दीजिए, S is equal to क्या लो? T into V, you can write T into V. S is equal to, distance is equal to time into speed. So time is 0.52 hours and speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Now look at here. We will remove this decimal. Cancel out. Okay, what will come? 6 2s are 12, 1 in minus 6 5 are 31, and divided by 10. What will you get? 31.2. And what will be the unit of distance? Meter? It's kilometer, so it will be kilometer. Correct? 31.2. Am I right? Just check it out. Am I right? 31.2 kilometer, right? Now in the second case, same formula you will apply. S is equal to T into V. So here, as T is equal to 0.24 hour and V is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. So remove the decimal. It would be 0.4. Oh, sorry. Again, I am writing point. 24 by 100 into 30. Okay, 0 0 cancel out, and you know the table of 24, 72 and divided by 10. So again 0 0 cancel out, it will be 72 kilometer, sorry 72 kilometer, right? Is it? So 7.2, 72. Okay, wait. From where this 0 came? There is no 0.
36.5.
72 by 10, 7.2 now. 7.2 kilometer, right? There was a mistake here. Now, in this case, again, S is equal to T into V, right? What is T here? 0.71 R and multiplied by 70 kilometer per hour. 70 kilometer per hour. Remove the decimal. 100, 0 0 cancel out. Again multiply, 7 1 are 7 and 7 7 are 49 divided by 10. You will get 49.7 kilometer. So now sum up all of it. So let it be, what will you let it? This is S1, S2, S3. Okay, and time T1, T2, T3. Let it just in your mind T1, T2, T3. Okay, now average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 divided by T1 plus T2 plus T3. Is that so? Now S1 plus S2. Tell me S1. What is S1?
31.2 kilometers.
31.2 plus plus 7.2 plus
49.7.
49.7 divided by T1 T2. What is T1? 0.52 plus 0.4 plus 0.71. Add up. Okay. Add up. Okay. What will you get after adding up? I'll give you a few seconds to add. So I think so when you will add up all this, you will get 88. I'm just going in reverse by 88.1. 88.1. You will get 88.1 kilometer, and sum of the time, what will come? Summation of time 1.47. 1.47 hour. Now remove the decimal and calculate it. What will you get? 59.9 kilometer per hour. 59.9 kilometer per hour. Okay, done. So write it there, and now we will start velocity. What is velocity? Can I erase it? Huh? I want to sing a song about motion. I'm just recapping. Okay, motion, rest, uniform, motion, and non-uniform motion. All you have very much problem in remembering these things because your 2 GB memory card is getting full every day and your phone is hanging. If your brain is a phone, then it is hanging every day because you are putting the data in 2 GB RAM, you are putting 1 TB by watching the reels, so you are not able to remember. So let me help you by singing it very fast. You all will help me, okay? Motion. If an object changing its position with time is called
motion.
It's not loose motion. Okay? If an object does not change its position with respect to time is called rest, not rest in peace. Okay? That is different thing. Okay, uniform motion. If an object, can you sing with me? If an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, if an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, is called
Uniform motion.
uniform motion. Uniform means एक समान, एक जैसा. Huh? Non-uniform. If an object travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Sing it very fastly. If an object travels unequal distance, Oprah. If an object travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, it's called
Non-uniform motion.
if an object travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, it's called
Uniform motion.
If an object changing its position with respect to time is called
Motion.
not loose motion. Motion. If an object not changing its position with respect to time is called
Rest.
rest in peace.
No.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. तो अब हम जानते हैं वेलोसिटी की. So what is velocity, Abhinav? Abhinav, what do you know? How is it different? Do you know speed?
Yes, sir.
What is the speed? What is the speed? Speed is the total distance traveled by total time taken. The speed distance by time. So distance per unit time is called speed. So velocity is simply as simple as that rate of change of distance. Displacement, not distance. Displacement. I think I have taught you this one, right? Displacement by time. Displacement by time. Sometimes displacement is denoted like x by t, and sometimes it is written as del x by t, small distance, small time, and differential of x by differential of t. And in 11th standard you will write the velocity like this: dx by v is equal to dx by dt, dth. Okay, so ultimately you can distance per unit time is called velocity. And simple point in 9th standard you can say speed with direction. Speed with direction. A speed with direction is called, my dear student, is called, मुंह में तो ही तुम्हारे आगे बोलो ना, velocity is called velocity, uncle. Okay, understood? Now speed and velocity, the unit of velocity is also the same, meter per second. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantities are those quantities which has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Those quantities which has both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity, and those quantities which has only magnitude, no direction is called scalar quantity. SCALAR, scalar quantity. Okay, scalar quantity जैसे mass और vector quantity जैसे velocity. Okay, जैसे charge scalar quantity, और vector quantity जैसे displacement is the vector quantity. Distance is the scalar quantity. Understood? Acceleration is the vector quantity. Acceleration is the vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Those quantities which have both magnitude and directions. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.